On 12 September, during a uniform checking at National Highway by Khatkati Police, 5 fully loaded trucks was intercepted with a suspicion of carrying illegal goods with them. It was reported that the trucks began their journey from Jharkhand and was on their way to Imphal when Khatkati Police intercepted and seized under their possession at Karbi Anglong. 5 fully loaded LP trucks bearing registration numbers BR02W5395, BR26GA 5367, NL01Q7673, JH12G 2126 and NL01AC 7293 was seized by the police. The trucks seized were taken to Khatkati Police Station and Agriculture Department. From Deepu was called for the examination of the quality of the urea. The rain covers were taken off from the trucks by the police and Agricultural Department to check the bags rigorously. It was later informed that the bags consist of 46% urea and nearly 400 units of bags are equipped in every truck. The contrabands, if sold, would worth as much as Rs 10 lakhs in an open market. Anantiram's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Live.